Here's how to change the battery on a malfunctioning Kidde carbon monoxide detector. As you can see, this one's going off. Grab the unit, turn it counterclockwise, which is this way. It'll come down. Here's the plug. You want to squeeze this plug here and here with your hand, and the unit will come down. Of course, using the camera, it's hard to squeeze it. It'll probably fall down to the floor. Squeezing it hard. Okay, so once you squeeze this hard, you squeeze these two here. You squeeze these very hard, like that, and it will detach. So here's the unit now. Okay, this is the Kidde carbon and smoke carbon monoxide alarm. Okay, so open the unit like this. There's a trap door here. Just open this trap door with your nail right there. There's the battery. Take the battery out like that. Put the battery like this. Get the new battery in position just like it was, so you want to have it like this. Open up the unit. The plus matches the plus on the battery there. Make sure this little tab here is down. So put the battery against that and push it in. That's it. Close it up and put it back upside and you're all good to go. Easier said than done. Okay, so this one is not closing because the tab came off. So let's pick it back up. Put the battery on the tab, push the tab down. It's not the easiest thing to do with one hand. There, now it's down. Close the door. And the tab came back up. Okay, once again on this tab. Okay, now the tab is down. Close the door. And it's good to go back up onto the ceiling. Put the plug back in, turn it counterclockwise, and you're good to go. I'm not sure I can do this with one hand, but attach the plug, put it up, turn it counterclockwise. I'll put it in without putting the plug in because I can do it with one hand. So you put it back up here like this and turn it until it grips. There it goes. Turn it like that and you're done. Of course, you got to put the plug in. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.